Ever wondered how sounds can heal you? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the magic of Tibetan healing sounds. Tibetan monks use ancient singing bowls. These bowls produce serene, vibrating tones. These sounds can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Scientists even found they can lower blood pressure. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Hear the soothing hum fill the room. Feel your mind calm, your body relax. Regularly listening boosts mental clarity. It also aids in emotional balance. Many people report better sleep and reduced anxiety. The vibrations are like a massage for your soul. So why not give it a try? Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more insight into wellness secrets. Till next time, embrace the harmony of Tibetan healing sounds.